In today's video, I'll show you how to block websites on your Google Chrome or any browser from your mobile device. There may be several reasons for which we have to block certain websites on our Android phones. Some websites spread a virus in our device, contain needless and useless contents, and even some websites try to steal our personal data. Although you may avoid these websites, avoiding such site is not good for you if other people are using your device. In such a case, it is better to block these websites. And there are several ways to block this website on your Android phone. So in order to do that, watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. Now, if you are frequently surfing the web through Chrome browser on your Android device, you may want to block unwanted websites to increase the productivity of the entire day on your device. So there are several browser extension apps you can find for Android devices at Play Store. Just open Play Store from your mobile device, and on the search bar you can search for the block site application link. So go and tap on the app, then tap on install in order to download. And you can wait for the downloadation to complete. And you can wait for the downloads to complete. Once you have downloaded the app on your mobile phone, tap on open in order to open the app. And on the welcome page, go and tap on get started. And there will be few steps for you to complete in order to personalize your app block application. Now, when you first launch the app, you will be asked to enable the accessibility option, and it will take you to the application settings here. Now let's get started by tapping onto try click block. So once you land onto the page like this, now go to the bottom of your screen and tap onto the plus icon in order to add the website or application that you want to block. Now when the relevant results appears, tap on it. You'll be able to see the red check mark after you tap on it. And if you want to block the websites, you can enter the website that you want to block here. And once you have entered and copied the URL, go and tap on save. By doing this, you will have successfully blocked the particular website or application on your Android devices. And the apps and website that appears on this page are all your blocked website and applications. You can edit or remove the website from the block list by clicking this delete icon here. So this was the easiest way to block your website or applications on your mobile device. And this is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel, and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.